Welcome to eXpd8. In this module, I'd like to show you how eXpd8 handles scanned-in documents, which is basically the post. From the home page of eXpd8, I'm going to click into Scanned Docs, and it takes me into a view of anything that has been scanned into a file where I am the file owner and has been scanned in today. Now notice here from this little arrow, I could go back and look at a previous day, but let's focus on today for the moment. So what I'm viewing here are 4 items that have been scanned into files belonging to me on today's date. I can see the name that's been given to the item scanned in, and I can see the file it's been scanned into. If I double click into this first one, it takes me into the file that item has been scanned into, and I can see here the file, by the way, is comprised of absolutely everything that happens within that matter or activity you're dealing with. So it's outgoing correspondence, it's notes to file, it's incoming post by way of scanned documents, it's Outlook emails, it's diary appointments, it's phone messages, it's everything. But to help me easily find my scanned items, anything that's been scanned in is first of all prefixed with the word scanned, and secondly it's a different shade here, it's a slightly purplish shade to make it easy for me to see it. By the way, notice down here within my file I can say just show me my scanned items. So I can say amongst all the things that have happened in this file, just show me whatever has been scanned in. Let me put that back to all again. Now I wanted to look at today's post, so that was this item here. If I double click on that paperclip, it gives me back that document that was scanned in. In this case, it happens to be a single page document. There are no multi-pages here. If I X out of that, close out of that, I'm going to hit the back button here. That takes me back to my list of scanned items. Let's look at this one here. I double click, again the idea, it takes me into the file it's been scanned into. Again, I can double click on the paperclip. And in this case, when I get back my document, I notice it's a multi-page doc. There are 7 pages here, so I can scroll through those 7 pages. Now the true beauty of the scanned items within eXpd8 is it really overcomes to a great extent the need for me to be physically in the office in order to handle issues that are on my desk and need dealt with. I can sit at home or perhaps in court even, and I can connect back through to the office through the internet and access my eXpd8. I can then go in and say, show me what post came in for me today. And by clicking in there, I get the view of what came in. As you saw, I get to view the documents. Now the really neat way of using this is in conjunction with digital dictation, whereby I could actually dictate a response to a piece of incoming post and email that sound file back to the office and have it dealt with without me actually even setting foot in the office. Another neat feature of our scanned items is that you can search through the database for anything we're looking for that came in. So I could say I want to search all scanned documents. I'm looking for something in particular. It's to do with sharp text. And you can see there, as soon as I put in the first few characters, I've put in SHA, and anything that comes in with those, I can see what came in, what file is it on. So I can indicate there that I can click into that item there. So that's eXpd8 scanned items.